guys, welcome back to Callie's Farm Flip, and today we're going to be doing low cost, high profit build. Let's get into what you need. So you're going to need whatever this thing is. I have a smaller one, which I'm going to still use. I have 3/4 bit, but if you have a bigger one, that would work a lot better. But I'm going to just use what I have. You're going to need an impact drill, router bits, a router, a circular saw, some candles, a pencil, tape measure, angle, and optional is for stain. Stain is optional. And you're also going to need a 2x4 of any size. So it can literally be this big to this big. It depends on how many candles you want in the thing. Okay, so I'm going to do my tape measure, find the middle, and then go all the way down and draw a line in the center so that I know where to put the candle. Let's do it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the straightest thing I have and go right down all those lines to make a straight line. Okay, done. All right, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's somewhat. Now I'm going to put my candle here and circle around it. And then I'm going to keep doing candles, circles, and then we'll get to the actual drilling part. So in between each circle, you're going to want 2 inches to play with. So then you're going to cut right down there and make just little cuts. So now that we have all those lined up and ready to cut, let's go cut them. Okay, so now that we have all these cut, we're gonna use our little drill bit, which is not as big as the candle, but I don't have one anywhere else. I don't have anything else, so I'm just gonna improvise. And I'm just gonna put a piece of little tape of how far I need to drill in, and then I'll drill in to the thing, and I'll make some little wiggle room so that we have enough room to get the candle out if we need to replace it or not. So let's do that. Instead of an impact drill, you're gonna want to have a regular drill. I figured that out the hard way. All right, so I did the hole. It's all cleaned up, all out of there. So now we have to make sure a candle fits, and it fits perfectly. I mean, it still has some wiggle room, so you can get it in and out. So then you can replace it after the candle's done. But other than that, you're good with this step. So now, sanding time. So we still have this 2x4 look, and we don't really want that look. So we're gonna sand and then stain maybe. Let's go. Alright, so now that we have it all sanded, it's gonna look like this. I did like a corner sand, so it's almost like a nice look. You go around, you do these, and the bottom's optional if you want to or not, but I did that. So now it's optional if you want to do stain or any other thing to it. So I'm just gonna do some stain real quick and then get all the rest of these done, and I'll see you. So I just stained, and this is what it looks like right now. And now I let it dry and everything. Now it's time to put the candle in. So it looks like this. And then you get this look. So I mean, these sell for a good chunk of money. On Etsy, if you sell these on Etsy, they go for at least $5 a piece. And people will pay for them. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like a little bit. Alright, we're lighting her. There we go. Don't know if you can see that, but she's lit. And then it gets you a good candle that you can move around and place wherever you want. So if this is for your own home or just a project that you want to go sell, make money on, I think this is a really good, quick and easy project to do. It's a really good, quick and easy project to do, and you make money. Okay, so today I'm going to be going over the profits. So I paid $3.16 for a 2x4, 8 foot. The time I spent approximately 1 hour and 37 minutes. And so the earnings, I made 28 of those things. I sold them as $5 a unit, and that comes out to $140 minus the 2x4 price equals $136.84. And that's including all the materials I already had. I already had all these materials. It'd be different if you didn't. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you liked it, and come back on Callie's Farm and Flip to see what's next. Bye!